How to log into Ally Bank account. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily log into Ally Bank account. So the first thing you have to do is head over to your web browser, tap on the search bar and simply search for Ally Bank account login. So let me just quickly do that and then hit enter. You'll find the ally.com link right here on top. Just go ahead and tap on it. You could also continue on with the app if you would like. And from here, what you can do is just tap on the login button at the top right corner of your screen. Once you get here, you'll be taken directly to the login page where you have to provide your username as well as your password. Now, if you want the browser to remember your username, tap and check this box Save Username so that you don't have to enter it every time you try to log in. Once that is done, you can just go ahead and tap on this login button after entering your password. And if your login credentials are correct, you should be able to sign in immediately. And if you're having any trouble, you can use the forgot username or password option to recover either of those. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.